Cordless blinds are a type of window covering that uses a motor to raise and lower the blinds. These blinds are operated by a remote control or by a switch that is mounted on the wall. They are a great option for homes with young children or pets, as there are no cords that can be wrapped around necks or tangled up in. Cordless blinds are made up of a few different parts. The first is the motor, which is responsible for raising and lowering the blinds. The second part is the remote control or switch, which is used to operate the motor. The third part is the blinds themselves, which are attached to the motor. When you press the remote control or switch, the motor will start to raise or lower the blinds. Easy working mechanism of cordless blinds. Cordless blinds are a type of window covering that uses a spring-loaded mechanism to raise and lower the blinds. This type of blind is operated without the use of cords, making it a safe option for homes with small children or pets. Cordless blinds are raised and lowered using a handle or knob that is located at the bottom of the blind. To raise the blind, simply pull down on the handle or knob. To lower the blind, gently push up on the handle or knob. In addition to being safe, cordless blinds are also easy to operate. They are a great option for people who have difficulty reaching or controlling cords. Cordless blinds work on 3 mechanisms. Have a look at them. Using cordless blinds with rails. Many people who have cordless blinds also have rails on their windows. Rails can be a great way to add extra support to your blinds and keep them from sagging or falling down. However, it's important to note that not all cordless blinds are compatible with rails. If you're not sure whether your cordless blinds will work with rails, be sure to check with the manufacturer before purchasing. In general, cordless blinds that are made of materials such as wood or vinyl are more likely to be compatible with rails. If you have cordless blinds that are made of fabric, you may still be able to use them with rails, but you may need to purchase special hardware to do so. Adjusting motorized blinds. Motorized blinds are a great way to control the amount of light that enters your home. Whether you're trying to block out the sun on a hot summer day or you want to let in some natural light, motorized blinds make it easy to adjust your window coverings to suit your needs. There are a few things you'll need to do to adjust your motorized blinds. First, you'll need to find the control panel for your blinds. This is usually located near the window or on the wall near the blinds. Once you've found the control panel, you'll need to input the desired position for the blinds. Depending on your model of blinds, you may be able to input a specific position or you may need to input the amount of light you want to let in. Moving panel track shades. If you're looking for a sleek and modern window treatment, cordless blinds are a great option. And if you're looking for an even easier way to operate your cordless blinds, using moving panel track shades is the way to go. Panel tracks allow you to open and close your cordless blinds with just a touch of a button, making them ideal for large windows or hard-to-reach places. Installing cordless blinds with a moving panel track is a relatively simple process. Another benefit of cordless blinds is that they are much easier to clean than traditional blinds. The lack of cords also makes them more aesthetically pleasing and can give your home a more polished look. Cordless blinds are a type of window covering that uses a motor to open and close the blinds. They are operated by a remote control or a switch, and can be programmed to open and close at certain times of the day. Cordless blinds are a great option for homes with children or pets, as they are safe and easy to use. Cordless blinds are available in a variety of styles and materials, and can be customized to fit any window size. They are a popular choice for homes and businesses, and are an easy way to add privacy and style to any space. Cordless blinds are the perfect window covering for homes with children and pets. These window coverings are easy to operate and offer a variety of benefits that make them ideal for any home.